Hello, today we are on our Buggy Adventures. It's actually raining. It's really miserable outside. I don't know if you can see that. It's like pouring down. But we have decided to come out anyway because, you know, we're troopers, and what else are we going to do being, you know, single mum during Corona? We're going to continue with our Buggy Adventures and make the most of it. So we are today at Knole Park. Sorry, I had to think about it then. My brain has gone dead. I feel like I say that a lot now. I've had a kid. Suddenly I can't think ever. But yeah, we are here. We are going to make the most of it. I have taken precautions. I've got my hood. Oh. See, I'm getting used to this country life, guys. It's it's changing me, but you know, it's happening. I'm now a country gal. I've got my wellies, and Indy's buggy has a rain shield thing. So I thought, hey, we'll just come out anyway, get outside, even if we walk around for about an hour and get soaked and come home. We did something, okay, guys. We did something. We got out into nature and achieved something today. So whoop whoop. Living the life. The mummy life. Yeah, Indy's wants to come out, so. Hi! Are you trying to come out? You want to get outside in the rain? She might not think that when she's outside in the rain. Anyway, yeah, we're going to sort that out now. I'm going to try and film as much of it as possible, but it might not be that exciting because it's literally... I was going to swear then, kissing it down. Yeah, but it's just obviously raining quite heavily. But, you know, hell, we'll try. Even if we're under a tree, we'll give it a go. We'll walk around. And we'll keep you posted on our little Buggy Adventures. So we're out. No one's exactly happy about it, which is lovely. Come here. It's so rainy. And this is me. We're braving it anyway. Aren't we, Indy Rose? We're braving it. I lifted her, what's it called? Bassinet thing up so she can see even though she's got the rain cover on. If we're going to do this, we're just going to go for a quick walk. Here we go. Tell you, if you come to one of these places on a rainy day, you literally have the entire place to yourself. Nobody here. Just a few people. Ah, pretty good. Oh, camera's a bit wet. I think it's got, yeah. Oh dear, it's probably going to make it worse, isn't it? Can't tell if it's the camera or, yeah, I don't know, it's not focusing. Focus! Someone recognise me. Ooh. Doesn't want to focus, does it? It's all going to be blurry. Oh dear. This is what happens when you take your camera out in the wet. Doesn't want to focus. All I can say is thank goodness for Hunter Wellies. And by the way, if you happen to be a small shoe size like I am, I'm a size 3.5. I actually bought these in kids size 3.5. Well, it's obviously the same as an adult size, but I think kids sizes go up to the UK size 5. So these were half price because they were kids, but they're exactly the same as adults. So there's a little trick and tip for you. It's still absolutely raining like nothing else. I'm very wet. Indy's actually gone to sleep now, so that's good. But we're going to go and get a cream tea. And I say we, but that's really more me. I'm going to go and get a cream tea while she's sleeping. Because I don't know, it's definitely getting wet, and I realise this jacket is not waterproof, so I'm actually getting wet underneath it now. Oh, but I don't know. She's asleep, so I'm happy. She's having her time outside with fresh air and stuff. We're back in the car. Indy's, as you can hear, not very happy, so we are going to be off. Thank you for watching. Tune in again on our Buggy Adventures. We will be heading all around Kent, all around national parks. So yeah, keep your eyes peeled. We'll be back, folks.